edu December eya akwantuom fo no bebre fi akwantuom eba fie etese obi wo ha wo abrochiremam na December no na one na busua wo motu ho abagana ebe giomani na ye nua be ma ne yiri bi epie mu Ghana so wo mu bedi bronya na ne de ne ya mu no na wo kono na oba no wafa yefunu wafa yefunu anso wo kopie mu like oma bedi bronya wi wo kopie mu e wo Canada no antenatal chere se sister wanyem enkola miensa e wo ne yem anache se aye enigi sempaye triplets na be mani age wo banso ani age na ye hu ne ekosi ye da story ya eye obey kwa yaresabia ba wahwere ne nkwa ahwere nkola miensa ne nyina enkwa e wo ne yem asem ayareho asem aya na eba ni se na ne Canada nso wo se ye Canada tiefo bi enya bi hwenti mesre busuafo a wo Ghana ne Canada nyina ya akose owo kitade ankwa ntime ngide bia sa na ye kanyame na ema ono anaji na so aya na ewo ni bi ho a eja sabre mi kase sister yi watoa nananom e wonsie do na mo ye nya hu adicropot sia ema ewo ni bebae ye bekọ aye Canada ne akoti e kwa mane bo a wo mo wodi man na update bi e beba wa chire nso akwintwa e de ba beso.
And some way and a Marian Abusiafo to social media. So almost say, dear friends, family, and kind hearts, it is with heavy heart that we come to you today to share the devastating news of the sudden passing of Marian, an expectant mom. In a cruel twist of fate, Marian and her precious unborn triplet were tragically taken from us far too soon. As we try to come to terms with this unimaginable loss, we are reaching out to our community and friends to support during this incredibly difficult time. The financial burden of unexpected funeral expenses, medical bills, and the overwhelming grief is overwhelming. We humbly ask for your generosity to help alleviate some of this financial burden. Marian and her husband Oliver arrived in Brampton on January 13th, 2024, and just after 34 days of being in this country, Canada, Marian lost her life. She was a soft-spoken beacon of life in our lives. Her warmth and kindness touching everyone she met. The joy of pregnancy was shared by all who knew her, making this loss all the more heartbreaking. While we can never fill the void left by Marian and her three angels, we can come together to honor her memory and provide support to her grieving husband and family. Any contribution, no matter how small, will make a meaningful difference in helping Marian's family navigate this tragic chapter of their lives. Your generosity and kindness during this time of profound sorrow will forever be remembered and deeply appreciated. Thank you for the love, support, and compassion. I just say, Marian Abusiafo, Omusika Krebia Obenye Biano, a GoFundMe link na me to I am a description as you know, miaso. Nebe bo mu ye pa, na kupon fa mami, eni ni ma, o ma mewiase, triplets, o mo kra, ensie.
When you crank what Ghana kakra, Copimbra, Benesu, will be Nimnia, a betria, dear Betty, a quintuan and besum, a crowd.